Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to get Perplexity AI API key on our paid plan. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We can use the Perplexity API key to build applications, do market research and get real-time answers. If you are using the free Perplexity account, then you need to add your credit card or bank account to buy and get the API key. But if you are using the Pro account or any other paid subscription, then you will get $5 free credits every month. We can use this to get the API key. So to do this on our desktop, we have to open a web browser and go to perplexity.ai, and we have to make sure to log in using our paid plan. We are using the Pro account here. We cannot do this using the Perplexity mobile or desktop app at the moment. So after logging in, we have to select this and go to API here. So if we are doing this for the first time, we will get a pop-up like this. We will get a pop-up to add a new API group. So we have to add all the basic information here regarding our API. We have to enter our address as well. And after that, we will get this API keys option. We just have to select this. And we have to accept terms and generate API key here. So we have to select this. So we have to enter a name for our API key. Then select create key. So that's all. Here we have our secret API key. So we should not share this with anyone. We can use this to copy and also delete. So yeah, that's all we have to do. These are the steps to get Perplexity AI API key on our paid plan. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.